You didn't bring clothes, Nate?
I didn't know. I didn't know you were showering.
Oh, damn. Now they told us. Next clip is gonna be of Nathan getting whipped. What is that?
Did you bring your stuff to shower stuff?
You ready to go camping? Yeah. We just got to Walmart in Fresno. We're like 2 hours away.
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours away from Yosemite. Look, say hi. Say hi. Look at Ramon over there. His good parking. What's he doing over there? Oh, I think he crashed. I think he hit something. Look. I wonder what he hit. Okay guys, so we made it to Yosemite. Look, we're driving in the inside of a rock.
I don't want to play with
And no, I am not recording and driving.
Lies.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Tommy.
What an op.
He's always snitching. Remember at Walmart when I said I'm not gonna snitch on you?
Dang. I'm a snitch now.
Technically, we all have some aspect of ourselves that tells us to snitch.
Hell
We're snitching on you now.
What the
From
fuck,
now
man?
on.
Snitch, snitch, snitch.
I don't know. A retarded person. Camp full. Oh, that's it. We gotta turn back. Look what I got for being in the military. America. Come on, what's the hold up? He's been at it for like 10 minutes.
How's she,
I've always
how's
had
she
this one.
supposed to get us one, John?
One eternity later.
Why didn't you say I should have gotten you guys one?
Hi.
Jack, what were you eating? Let me see.
You want a vlog?
This means the front is gonna be, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Versus having it.
What?
You know what I mean?
Oh, Mom, it's because
You're a little too aggressive for him. He said unhand me. So we're setting up. Here's the tent. There's the camper. Oh my gosh. Camping with 2 babies.
Okay, be nice. That's okay. That's okay.
He's like, unhand me. She's like, ow, dude. She's like, back up off me.
We tried.
Oh.
What are you doing in there? Hi. 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 What are you doing? Okay, so this is day 2. It is 8:30 in the morning.
Morphin time.
Gang shit.
Nathan,
Yeah.
like always in the trailer.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to come out.
It'll be coming out soon, I'll say that.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. What are you guys doing? You guys are playing? Dang. Burnt bacon. I was just...
Many hours later.
Look at Nathan. He's having a time of his life.
Dirty bit. Dirty bit.
Yeah.
Look at those high socks.
Down at school.
I'm not here for it.
Jack. Jack. There they are. 30 minutes later.
You're welcome. Mosquito repellent and sunblock.
Okay.
Your son is dangling like this. He's like this.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's why he wants to go. Hi. Jack.
Is Nino being silly?
Oh, is that where we're gonna go?
No. How are we gonna go with the babies?
How cute. Thank you.
You didn't bring clothes, Nate?
I didn't know you were showering.
Oh, damn. Now they told us. Next clip is gonna be of Nathan getting whipped. What is that?
Did you bring your stuff to shower stuff? John, why are you pointing the camera at me?
You forgot to.
Do you want to go back?
My father likes to.
Smack him. There, go ahead.
Hello, Yosemite.
Oh.
What the hell?
Whoa.
Don't get too crazy.
You showed them. Oh,
Sister!
stand on the chair and yell out.
Sis!
Okay.
Scream,
Why are you doing that?
scream really loud.
You're like screaming. You're like, sis.
Scream high pitched. Do it again, do it again, do it again.
The lady didn't even look.
Wow, unfazed.
Wait, give me the camera, give me the camera, give me the camera. Look.
Abracadabra!
Really?
What kind of scream is that?
I don't know.
What the hell?
Scream.
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs chocolate.
Damn, well I didn't want it that burnt.
I thought you said yes. I asked you, you said yes.
I didn't want charcoal.
So you go like this, put it on fire, melt your chocolate with the fire.
Dang,
So that
see,
way-
why didn't you do that with mine?
Dude, I had one in my hand. Melt my chocolate. He's making fun of me.
Are you making a double stack?
No, because I want my chocolate when I melt it. You're toasted.
What the hell?
Trust.
I don't think that's gonna taste good.
Why would it not taste good?
You're burning the cracker.
My cracker's just toasted.
Oh wow.
Look, oh look. Oh, that smells good. That smells good.
Oh, we made it, Jack. We made it.
My water baby. He likes the rock.